In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an income by customer summary or detail report. This process is essential for gaining insights into where your revenue is coming from and understanding the financial contributions of individual clients to your overall business. Let's explore this step by step. First, you'll want to open the software program where your financial data is stored and ensure you're on the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not entirely comfortable with it yet. Once you're ready, navigate your attention to the top menu bar where you'll typically find an option labeled Reports. This section is a treasure trove of information, offering various reports tailored to different aspects of your business's financial health. Clicking on Reports reveals a drop-down menu. What you're looking for is the Customers and Receivables section. This is where you'll find numerous reports focusing specifically on customer-related transactions and activities. Once you hover or click on this category, you'll be presented with several reporting options. Here you want to select the Income by Customer Summary or the more detailed Income by Customer Detail Report depending on your needs. Choosing the Summary option will give you a broad overview of the income generated by each customer over a specified period. It's great for quick insights and when you need a top-level view of your income stream. On the other hand, selecting the Detail version provides a more granular look. It breaks down transactions by each customer, showing their individual purchasing history, dates, and specific invoice numbers. This can be invaluable for analyzing client behavior in depth or resolving discrepancies. After selecting either the summary or detail report, you'll move on to setting the date range. This is a crucial step because it defines the time frame of the data you'll be analyzing. Look for the date selector, often found near the top of the report page. You can typically choose from preset options such as this month, last month, this year, or customize your own range by entering the start and end dates manually. Make sure your chosen range accurately represents the period you wish to study. Once the date range is set, click on Run Report to generate your findings. As the report loads, it begins to compile all relevant data, fetching details from your transactions linked to customers. Allow it a moment to process, especially if you have a substantial amount of data. When the report is ready, review it carefully. Take note of patterns, variances, and any anomalies in your income that could warrant further investigation. If you'd like to save your work or share it with colleagues, most systems offer export options. Look for buttons allowing you to export the report as a PDF or Excel document. These formats make it easier to ship off your insights for further analysis or presentation later on. And there we have it. Following these steps, you'll be able to generate an income by customer summary or detail report and gain valuable insights into your business's financial interactions with its customers. Now, take the time to explore this report and make the most of the information it provides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment.